Hello everyone, it's me and the kid, and do a shout out to your TikTok.
Addy, ADI_anime 0_0.
Okay, and this is a very special video. It's the follow-up to the last few with the canoe rack, the electric bike and such, sort of the culmination of all that with us being out on the Delaware River.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Haha, you got rickrolled.
Very special video because normally I do not show the kid on my videos per their request, and I have special permission on this one, so enjoy. All right, here we are getting ready to canoe. I'll try and just do a continuous shoot. One thing I really didn't think of is that these rails that I made are particularly keyed towards the side of the car. But these very, very much easier things that just look like this. They go on and off in seconds and are plenty strong for holding the canoe. So I'll put those back on later when we bring the canoe back. And so you'll now be seeing me reverse the process here, right? Because these are kind of keyed towards one side of the car or the other. So I had to put it on this side so you're not seeing the river in the view as I pull it down. But one more bungee. So I got bungees securing it from a number of locations in addition to the tie downs, one in the front, one in the back, 2 tie downs across the car. And that should be it to release this thing. Old Town Canoe. And this is the back saving moment, right? I could be breaking my back, or I could just do this. Oh. Yeah, I gotta work on that, right? All right. It'll still be an excellent video. But I do have little heat gun work still to do to get them to stay on as I slide it down. Okay, now we're gonna pull the electric bike out, the second part of this operation. Yeah. Pull out the electric bike, move it over here, and unfold it. I don't even really need to unfold it because it's just going to fold into the canoe in a moment. So I'm going to leave it mostly collapsed and get out oars. We've got 2 types of oars, normal canoe oars, and I've got kayaking oars, which might be nice. And I've got my life vest.
And water. And like that.
I've got my helmet. Oh, and our bag that has our sunscreen and our water
food ration.
And our food. And yeah, okay, so keep going. I'll pull the canoe around and we'll load the bike into the kayak. I mean, into the canoe. And what? Yeah, very good. So carrying this canoe is not a problem. It's actually a lot lighter than it appears. All right. Now, I've been thinking about for quite some time. This is what I almost consider necessary adventuring equipment if you just have one car or one driver in the picture. So yeah, I guess that's folded up the way it's supposed to be. This handlebar could go maybe on this side. Yeah, that's probably the way to do it. It's folded up pretty well.
Will it make the boat sink?
No, it won't make
Okay,
good.
Should I give the audience a first-person view of walking into the water?
Yeah, whatever you like, Addie. This is our adventure. Whatever you like.
Water.
All right.
Water.
I'll be moving the car back up to the parking.
Do you want your phone back?
Are you done shooting the video?
I don't know, but since you're putting the car back, like, do you want your phone?
Well, you can do it right up to the end. Whatever you want. I'll do what you want.
It's not my video, Dad. Do you want your phone back?
Okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
Thank you very much. And that, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies, gentlemen,
and others, is how we start today's river adventure. I'll put my life vest on. I'll park my car. So the concept of like all going boating and stuff, you know, is probably built up. Thing is, you know, it shouldn't be built up. It's just a little thing you do, you know. As long as the hardest part about boating is to have a place for the boat in between adventures.
Also to not die.
Well, to not die, but you can see here in the Delaware River, there's not a lot of drowning risk. I mean, you can drown in 6 inches of water, honestly, but it's only if you're
Drown anywhere and everywhere.
knocked out or
escape from water.
yeah, knocked out or stupid. We'll try and not get knocked out and not be stupid. All right, for the first time on this trip, I don't have to be,
I make no promises that I will not jump out of the boat.
yeah, well, yeah, not that much harm done if you do. Just don't hit your head on anything is all.
Yeah, I don't know on that. Because I like swimming, and it's been a while since I swam.
Well, the pools are open over at Pomona. We can go swim in the pool if you like. Delaware River's fun too. All right, I think I'll stop the video here.
After this, let's go to the pool.
You got it, kiddo. You're saying go-karts.
I like, now that I'm in the mood for swimming, I want to stay swimming.
Okay. Okay, pool after this, you got it. Can't guarantee it though, because of hours and stuff, but we'll see. It is the weekend, so they should have good hours. We used to try and reverse against the river to go to that island.
Yeah, that was a dumb idea.
Well, that's the best we could do at the time, because if we went too far downriver with the current, it would have been really hard to get back to the car.
But now we have a bike.
Nice work. Okay, I used the last bit of battery up on documenting the end of our voyage. Here we are at Bashkill, and I'll be setting the video up like this. There you see the trails. And at the beginning, one of the reasons I made these different. Perhaps it actually is heavier because of the water that's in it. But I remember from the last time, I almost broke my back doing this. And I was like, never again. Never again on the lifting of the canoe, one person, but not never again on the event. So let's see if this lives up to its expectations and abilities. I'm going to start from the inside. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah. Ah, so good. That does it. You do have to adjust it. Center it, and now I'll strap it in. There it is, on top of the car. And that pretty much wraps up the video and the trip and the day. Thanks for joining us. Hope to see you again soon, and don't forget to subscribe.